What's going on, everybody? I know it is JJ. I'm gonna show y'all this $100 Nissan. I bought $100. Um, it was $100. Then it was $124 to get it back. So I'm $224 in it, and I'm probably not gonna do anything to the car. You know, that's it. I did lock it up. But this is it. It's got a good tire on there though. Good rims. Get a good look at it. Yeah, get a good look at it. Good. Yep, so 224. I probably won't do nothing to it. I mean, it was having, they said through some codes, like, had like a lot of codes when I bought it. Had like 12, 11 codes or something. But those all could be due to the battery not being good. You know, they can, you know, when you alternate and battery is not good, it causes, or when your battery is really, really bad, and got low voltage, it'll cause like, because all the stuff in you, all the computers and stuff got to have a certain amount of voltage going to there. So if your voltage in your battery is not good, it can damage a lot of stuff, like your computers and stuff. But what I'm going to do, I don't have to do anything, and I'm going to make a profit. I called LKQ just because I was like, oh, what will LKQ give me for it? And I knew LKQ would give me more than what I paid for it. So LKQ said they'll, what is it, $580 if I brought it to them. $620 if I brought it to them, $580 if they picked it up. So I'm just making the video quick and easy, like quick little video. So I can make, if I take it to them, $400. If I don't, $360. So I don't do nothing. All I did is bid $100 on the car. They transported it from that person's lot to my lot. Then LKQ, they can come pick it up, and I just transfer from my lot to the salvage yard. I make $360 without even having to touch the vehicle. I don't even have to touch the vehicle if I don't want to. I can just leave it right there in this spot. When the title comes in the next couple of days, call LKQ, have them pick it up. I make $360 that easy. That's easy. That's easy money. You know, or I could work and buy a battery and try to diagnose the problem, then get it started, and it probably has more problems and stuff like that. Nope, I think I'll probably just take the easy little 360. You know, without having to touch nothing, I'll make $300-400. Can't beat it. So when cars, that's what I use. Like when I see cars like that on like lawn and stuff like that, and they're close to me, and the price is so cheap, I'll buy them, and then I just turn around and resell them. You know, if I just make $200 or $300, I can make $200 or $300. I really could just make more than that. Make more if you part it out and everything. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video. I'm out.